Everyone, welcome back to All Up in Your Melon. As you can see, I got a fancy new shirt. These will be coming out when I get 100 followers on Instagram. So if you don't have an Instagram, make one. Go follow my page. It's All Up in Your Melon. And once I get to 100, I'll make shirts and everybody can have one and wear it and enjoy it. Anyway, back to it. Today, I am going to be juicing. I got a juicer for my birthday, and it's the gift that keeps giving. And, you know, I didn't know that I wanted it. Now that I have it, I juice like once a week. I don't juice that much. So, today I will be juicing. Got some apples, strawberries, pineapple, spinach, cucumber, I have a little bit of ginger, and I have some celery. So every time it's different. You never really know what it's going to taste like, but every single time I've juiced, it has been unreal. Alright, so what do we want to start with? Let's start with prepping the fruit. With the apples, you do have to core these babies. And I just remembered I have a little core thing. So I'm going to wash these and then I'll get the little core thing. You've never seen one before? This is a little apple core. It's really nice. It does take a lot of force, so I'm going to stand up. And then there you go. Get a bunch of little apple pieces and your core is all out. A little bit of core left, so I'm going to just cut this out a little. Those to the side, round two. Put them through. Pull this out. Make sure there's no little. Those look good. The ginger, you want to just take the skin off. So I'm not gonna be too careful. I just go as close as I can. Chop the edges off. So this doesn't end up making that much juice, but it adds a little tang that's kind of nice, and it's good for you. So there you go. It doesn't have to be perfect. The strawberries, they just need to be washed. These can go right in with the stem on them. I'm going to probably just use half of this. I don't want it too cucumbery, so I'm going to peel half of it. So, I don't know who needs to hear this, but if your peeler is 5 years old, 10 years old, just get a new one. I read that on the internet and they are $5 and I bought a new one and it takes like half the time. Did you know the peels come off with one swoop? If your peels aren't coming off with one swoop, then you need to go buy a new one. It is worth it. So I'm just cutting them in half. I'm gonna do like 2 sprigs of celery. They just need to be washed. I'm gonna wash them real quick. These, along with the cucumbers, add a really nice fresh flavor to the juice, and they both contain a lot of water. Lastly, I'm going to cut the pineapple. So this is a little pineapple tutorial. So this is how you cut a pineapple. First you cut the top off, I think. Now we're gonna cut the bottom off so we have a little handle. So cut the bottom off. This is when I like to try it. Pineapple is so good. And how do you know pineapple is ripe? You squeeze it, and if it's soft, if it kind of gives a little bit, that's usually when I know a pineapple is ripe. So now we're gonna cut off the head. That wasn't as good as the bottom part. And this, you know, you can make a little pineapple plant if you plant this. Maybe I'll do that. And you just pick off some of the leaves, and you just plant it. I don't know if you have to put it in water first. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna do that. Need some more outdoor plants. So I obviously didn't cut it straight. We're gonna flip it over. Okay. And now you just cut off the edges. So you cut off all the brown part. This is so soft. And you know, this is my question for you. If you don't try every little slice of pineapple, do you really even like it? Well, I'm not gonna. I feel bad because you could definitely juice this. I wonder if you could juice it. Nah, we're not gonna juice it today. I'll look it up. I have no idea if you can juice that or not. I'm gonna wipe the cutting board because it has some brown. And then I'm just gonna do that. Ooh. So I'm just gonna do this much and we're gonna see how it goes because it's sweet and I like to eat it. So I might just save some of it and eat it regular, not in juice. And I'll come back and show you how to juice. So exciting. Oh, and I also, wait a minute, I forgot about these. I have cherries. That's great. That's great. Because these cherries are going bad, that's great. I'm gonna juice these too, see if you can, pineapple cherry, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna juice the cherries. I don't know if you'll even taste the cherry. Also, I don't know what the best way is to take out, that's great. I don't know the best way to take out the pit, and you have to take out the pit for each cherry. I'll think about it and be right back. So let me show you how to set up a juicer. I have the Breville juice fountain. So you have two little top pieces, and then you got this top part, which is what you put the juice in. So the juice, you put this cup. So throw that to the front, then you put the juicer like this. There we go. And then this is I saw in a video somebody called this a little trash bucket. So this is where the trash goes. The little stems of the strawberries would go in there. Anything that's not juice goes into this little back bucket. I think we're ready. Okay, so ready? You're gonna see how much juice comes out of each fruit. It's pretty exciting. This little guy has to be up. And this is what keeps the machine in place. So it won't turn on if that's not securely fastened. So I'm gonna press low. All right, let's throw in some pineapple first. And you wanna make sure to get this in right after or else it will squirt up at you. Whee! Let's throw in the strawberry. See how much water that one has? Throw in some apples. So I like to put in some spinach. You'll see this doesn't actually provide that much water, but still good to add. Adds good nutrients. Just put a whole bunch in. Let's see how much juice comes out. So I'll do like half a bag of spinach. Put in some more of this pineapple. And when you put in more fruits after, it makes the juice go down. We'll put in just one more handful of spinach. Throw in some apples. I'm gonna throw in the ginger. The order really doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Because it's a little long, I'm gonna throw in another strawberry. Alright, we're going to throw in one more strawberry. Turn that puppy off. Guys, that is how easy it is to make juice. So there is a trick here. You want to make sure you put a shot glass under here so that if it drips, it's not going to go all over the place. So I'm going to get a shot glass and a cup. Alright, so just look at that. Slip that out. Put your shot glass so that if it in, you are going to stir this little frothy juice up. And this would be good if you're having a party. You could make fresh pineapple juice and make cocktails. It's just really good for your health. If you're not eating vegetables, it's a good way to add like cucumber, celery. Personally, I don't really like celery. This adds those vegetables to your diet. Spinach. You can add so many more things than this. Just gonna have a taste for now. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bit gross looking, but I'm telling you guys, the freshest juice you've ever had. It's so good every single time. It tastes interesting. It's very cucumbery, actually, surprisingly. I almost would add more pineapple. I thought the pineapple would have a stronger flavor. Well, I might add some more pineapple. We're gonna put more pineapple in. Much better. Much better. But thank you guys for watching. I know not everybody has a juicer, but if you ever get a juicer or if you have any questions about juicing, look them up because I don't know that much. Just kidding. But I just wanted to show you guys how to use it and the different things you can put in it and make fresh juice. And this is warm, but if you let it sit overnight, it's even better. And also, FYI, juices only last 2 to 3 days, so you have to drink them pretty quickly. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at AllUpInYourMelon. And I hope you guys have a great day or night. And thank you for watching. Bye.